Hello guys, welcome back, and we have started a new initiative. So welcome to this initiative, that is Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series. Hope you guys will keep up with this, and it is going to be a great initiative, right? And as sir has already told, this is a episode 2, and I will be taking geography. My name is Divya. So this is also sir has already explained then how it will work, what will be the schedule of it. I will be taking geography and environment on Tuesday. So now let us start, and rest will be taken by Vysh sir and other faculties, right? So if you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing UPSC. So and batch 4 also has started for 2023. There it is 175 days timetable. So those who have missed out on joining can join this test series. This will be the last batch, so try to keep up, right? And improve your score in UPSC prelims, and not just prelims, in the coming UPSC examination, and improve your chances of clearing it. So now we'll start. So which of the following, the first question is, which of the following leaf modification occur in desert areas to inhibit water loss, right? So also these questions will be the mix of previous years and as well as the new questions, right? Which will be framed by us, the VYSHIANS team. So, okay, so the leaf modifications which occur in the desert to reduce the water loss. So, first modification is written as hard and waxy leaves. Second is tiny leaves or no leaves, and then thorns instead of leaves. Options are 1 and 3, and 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, and then 1 and 2, and D is 2 only, right? So, pause the video, think about it, and then answer this question, right? So the answer is actually B, all of the above, right? One, two, three. All these are modifications which take place in order to reduce the water loss. So first one, in order to reduce the water loss through evaporation, leaves in the desert have waxy coating, right? They have wax coatings to through the transpiration or evaporation. It can be, the water loss can be reduced. Then the leaves are hard, and then they have thorns also. I mean, some have thorns, they don't have leaves, they have modified to thorns to reduce transpiration. And also these plants have fleshy stems for the same purpose, right? As you can see, like cactus, you have so many plants there. Now we'll move on to the second question, right? And write your score also in the comment section. So the second question is, with reference to the plate tectonics, consider the following statements. So the first statement is, Indian plate and the Eurasian plate, they collided about 20 to 30 million years ago. And the second statement says Indian plate is made up of denser material compared to the Eurasian material. So we have to find out, I mean, we have to tell which of the following statements are correct. Okay, you have to also take care if the question, if the question is asking for correct statement or incorrect statement. So here it is asking correct statement. So always take care of this. The first one will be the one only, right? The second will be this. I mean, the B, option B is 2 only. Option C is both 1 and 2, and the option D is neither 1 or not 2. Pause the video and answer this question. So let's move. So answer is B, that is 2 only, because the Indian plate, it collided with the Eurasian plate or Asia about 40 to 55 million years ago, right? Not 20 to 30 million years ago. Then this collision gave rise to the young fold mountains, and it is still going on here, right? That is why it is fold mountains, because it gets subducted. And then Indian plate is actually denser material, is made up of the denser material compared to the Eurasian plate. That is why it gets subducted here, as you can see in this diagram. It gets subducted, and thus giving rise to the fold mountains of Himalayas. So hope you got that right. Now let us move. So which among the following are the members of the NATO, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization? Very important question, guys. Okay. So and later on, in the coming weeks, I'll be including more and more map based questions right? And it will be, you can call it IR question, but actually these days these things are getting kind of intermingled. Okay, so you should be knowing. And very important question I feel, this is, because okay, so the options you see here. First one is Netherlands and Norway, second is Finland and Sweden, third is Ukraine and Armenia, Portugal and Spain, right? Options are 1 and 2, that is A option is 1 and 2, Netherlands and Norway. 2 and 3, B option is 2 and 3, Finland and Finland, Sweden and Ukraine, Armenia. Then C is Ukraine and Armenia, 3 only, and D 1 and 4 only, right? So which of these are the members actually? So you have to tell that. Hope you got the options correctly. Now let us answer this question. The answer is actually D, right? Option A, 1 and 4 only. So though there have been, many people can have confusion here, that Finland and Sweden are in talks of getting the membership of NATO. But right now, as of December 6, no, they are not the member of NATO, though the process has been going on. As you can see here, this is from the official website I've taken. So the there is still the ratification process which has to be done, right? The ratification of the, the accession talks, everything has been done, and it has been submitted. But the last process, that is the ratification, has not been done. As soon as it gets done, Sweden and Sweden will join the NATO, and they will become the full members of the NATO PA, that is parliamentary association, right? Parliamentary assembly, not association, parliamentary assembly, right? So you have to keep track whenever Finland and Sweden joins the NATO, then they will become the member of NATO. As of now, they're not the member of NATO. Also, Ukraine is not a member of NATO. You have to remember this. Okay, so all this war and all is going on, but still right now Ukraine is not a member of NATO. Please remember that. And keep track of the news as well, when it gets of the current affairs, right? So next question, again it is a map based question, right? And related to the current affairs, I feel it is very important. So which of the countries do not share its border with Ukraine? Okay, so answer, options given are: first is Belarus and Poland, second is Moldova and Romania, then Hungary and Slovakia, and fourth one is Lithuania and Bulgaria, right? So your options are A 1 and 3, B 2 only, C 1 and 4 only, and D 4 only, right? So here you have to see does not share. Okay, it is not asking for those who share. It does not share its border with Ukraine. So map based question, answer is D, right? That is the Lithuania and Bulgaria do not share their borders with Ukraine. So as you can see, Ukraine is bordered by Belarus to the north, right? Here you can see there is Belarus, and then to the east there is Russia, right? Here you can see this is Russia, this is your Belarus, and then it is surrounded by Poland. Then you have Slovakia, you have Hungary in the west, then you have Romania, then you have Moldova, right? But not Bulgaria. Bulgaria is here and Lithuania is here, and it does not share its borders with Ukraine. Okay, and there is Black Sea in the south and Sea of Azov also. So please remember these, right? And in the coming weeks, as I told, I'll be including so many map based questions. Okay, so let's move on to the fifth and the final question of the day. That is, so Nada bait. Okay, no, sorry. So Nadabet was recently seen in news. So under which project, and what is the significance of it, and under which project it is being developed, and where is it located, right? So those who have been following the current affairs, they must be knowing this. It's been in a while. It's been in news for quite a while. So the options are A. Seema Darshan project in Gujarat. Then you have B. Vibrant Villages program in Arunachal Pradesh. And C. Sivri Nava Sheva Sea Link project in Maharashtra. Then you have Supernova Spira in Uttar Pradesh, Noida. Right? So pause the video, answer this question, and please write your score in the comment section. Right? Do not skip this, and keep be consistent. So answer is actually A. Nadabet. It is located in Gujarat, and it is being developed on the lines of Wagah border. Okay, so just like Wagah border, we have Indo-Pak border, and it is a big tourist destination. I mean, it has a big attraction for tourists. Similarly, we Indian government is trying to you know develop this for tourism in the western border, and it comes under the project that is Seema Darshan project as the Indo-Pak border. Right, so with this we have come an end to this episode. Hope you have enjoyed it, and keep studying, and keep watching our videos, liking these videos, sharing these videos, right, so that we will come up with such new more initiatives. And those who have not joined the test series, you can consider, there is still time, you can actually clear UPSC examination, and we will help you do that. So thank you so much. Let's meet in the next one.